Good afternoon, Simon Thomas, Managing Director, Ridgefield Consulting. So here we are after Rachel Reeves' second budget. Feels not long ago that we were out in that first one, or a year ago. And many tax changes came then. The agricultural property relief and reductions of business property relief. Again, it looks like this time there are a number of tax changes. People are perhaps talking more about the smorgasbord. But I think the key highlighted elements for us were, and this was leaked obviously, a number of things have been leaked, but what's mentioned in the media a number of weeks ago was there was going to be no changes to income tax. Now that was specifically PAYE, no changes to the main taxes, income tax, NI, VAT. But really, and she didn't really talk about this very much when, many things she did talk about. But I think there are three elements in there that we do need to look at regarding income tax and national insurance. Now, there is going to be a 2% increase to dividend tax, rental income, and investment income. So obviously, all small business owners that take dividends out of their company, there's going to be additional personal tax rates on that. Many people are landlords. Lots of people have got second homes, are getting rental income. So the basic rates of tax, 20%, that's now going to go to 22%. So landlords are going to be hit. They obviously want people perhaps to sell houses, and maybe stop overseas investment. And then the national insurance. Again, this is one that was leaked about the £2,000 cap. So this will affect, it is higher earners, but there'll be also some mid-range earners who are suddenly going to think, well, I don't want to contribute that much into my pension scheme anymore because it's going to cause me more national insurance. And also, don't forget, it's going to affect the small businesses as well, the owners of the small business, because there'll be employers' national insurance additionally on those extra contributions too. Now, don't forget that we had an employer's national insurance hike not so long ago too. So, more bottom line against the small businesses, unfortunately. Obviously, I'm smiling because that affects me too. Other smaller measures after that, I think there were, we knew about stuff about the electric vehicles where the taxes were going to go up and this sort of thing. And I think a lot of the smaller measures were really there to appease backbenchers because obviously, we understand that potentially the positions of Keir Starmer, Prime Minister, and Rachel Reeves as the Chancellor may be under threat. So I think a lot of those other measures were particularly, more vote winning or pleasing backbenchers. But in general, look, this is small businesses. We're chartered accountants and tax advisors. For us, it feels like it's more increase in taxing and more spending. Classic Labour government. But did they not learn from the last time? So really, it's going to hit the businesses, it's going to hit the landlords, and it's going to hit pensions. And if there's anything else you want to know, please do get in touch on the usual channels. www.ridgefieldconsulting.co.uk